So this is nothing at all about maths, but because I had a little request, so I'm going to show you the chair bag. Now it's just a pillowcase, but the pillowcase usually has a little the pocket thing inside it, right? Hope you can see this. So that is going to be on the top. So here is a little pocket. I'm going to put my arms in, hands in. I'm going to grab that corner and as well as that corner from inside and pull towards you so I can see the corners over here. These corners are going to be inside the little catch pocket of the pillowcase. So it's right here at the moment. So that this part is going to be the actual chair bag. And now you have a hole on the other side. That is now going to be on the chair. So you have a chair. So this now, other side goes in on the chair. Because of this little pocket here, it will stay on the chair. And this part becomes a chair bag. Cool.